Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Men Minded. Today, we have a special 8-minute video where we explore the essential qualities that define a genuine partner. Let's dive right in. 1. Active listening. Do you ever feel truly heard? Research from the University of California, Berkeley, suggests that active listening fosters a deeper emotional connection. A good partner goes beyond nodding. They validate your feelings, offering genuine attention to your joys and fears, creating a foundation of trust and understanding. 2. Accountability for mistakes. No one is perfect, and that includes the genuinely good ones. Studies from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology highlight the importance of accountability in relationships. When a partner owns up to their mistakes without denial or blame shifting, it builds a foundation of trust and honesty. Let's explore this further. 3. Embracing diverse perspectives. Contrary to popular belief, a good partner won't always agree with you. According to a study published in the Journal of Marriage and Family, couples who embrace diverse perspectives experience greater personal growth. It's not about being on the same team, but about enriching each other's worldviews for mutual growth. Let's delve into this intriguing dynamic. 4. Celebrating every victory. Psychologists at Harvard University emphasize the significance of celebrating even the smallest wins. In relationships, acknowledging and celebrating each other's achievements, no matter how trivial, creates a positive atmosphere. Let's explore why these little celebrations are crucial for a lasting connection. Duration: 1 minute. 5. Giving without expectation. In a world of tit for tat, the University of Michigan's Institute for Social Research reveals that selfless acts of kindness contribute to relationship satisfaction. A good person gives without keeping score, fostering a love that seeks no repayment. Join me as we explore the science behind this pure form of love. 6. Valuing time apart. Studies in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships suggest that respecting personal space is vital for a healthy relationship. A good partner understands the importance of individual growth and values time spent apart. This surprising trait is a sign of deep love and trust. Let's unpack the science behind this understanding. 7. A steady presence in chaos. Life is unpredictable, and here's where a good partner shines. Research from the University of Texas suggests that having a steady and supportive partner enhances overall well-being. In tough times, their consistent support and calm demeanor become your anchor. Join me as we explore the psychological benefits of a stable relationship. 8. Shared laughter, not at your expense. Laughter is universal joy, but its dynamics in relationships are fascinating. A study from the Journal of Marriage and Family suggests that shared laughter strengthens emotional bonds. A good partner distinguishes between playful banter and hurtful jokes, ensuring laughter becomes a genuine bonding experience. Let's explore the science behind shared laughter in relationships. Thank you for joining me in this 8-minute exploration of genuine relationships. If you've resonated with these signs or have insights to share, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth relationship insights. Until next time, take care, nurture your connections, and stay tuned for more content here at Men Minded.